Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So it's August and it's humidity all around. As you all must be knowing that I have got oily skin, so it becomes very important for me to take special care during this humid time. And I'm sure that you all must also be taking good care of your skin. So recently I was searching some good skincare products for my oily skin to tackle this rainy season and this humid season, and I got hands on the skincare products by the company called Tricon. Now these are the three products which I have bought from their website. This is the face wash which I have bought for myself. Now this face wash is very good for oily skin as it has vitamin C and berry extracts, and it actually removes all the greasiness from my skin very easily. This is the sunscreen which I have bought from their website again, and the special quality of this sunscreen is that it protects you not only from UV and UV rays but also from the blue light and the Wi-Fi radiations also. It has got SPF 60, so it's really very good and it gives a mattifying look. So it's just so good for oily skin that it doesn't leave the skin oily at all. Is their toner. Now this is a vitamin C enriched 100% alcohol free toner. This suits oily skin, combination skin so well that I am actually fallen in love with it. Its fragrance is super amazing, and now I'm gonna talk about all these products in detail and their ingredients along with how I use them on an everyday basis. So stay tuned, and before going ahead, do like and subscribe to my channel.
Tricon L-Glutathione face wash is formulated with L-glutathione, vitamin C, vitamin E, kojic acid, which not only prevents damage from UV rays but also regenerates and repairs tissues, lightens hyperpigmentation, dark spots, age spots, and melasma. It also boosts skin collagen production that gives you firmer, more plump skin and helps to protect skin's natural oils. It also treats acne, fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, and gives you a whiter, brighter, and glass skin tone, making it look younger. This face wash is vegan and 100% chemical free, and it is suitable for all skin types and especially oily and combination skin. Tricon sunscreen is specially formulated with Radicare Gold that helps you to protect your skin from harmful effects of radiations emitted by Wi-Fi and blue lights around us. It also increases skin hydration and decelerates skin aging. It offers UVA and UVB sun protection and is not likely to clog pores. It also repairs dry and damaged skin, and it is full of vitamin A, vitamin C, K, beta carotene, potassium, magnesium, and so many other antioxidants which helps in repairing the damaged cells. It is 100% water resistant and anti-pollution. It has very high broad spectrum and high level of SPF. Now talking about the Tricon face toner, it's formulated with vitamin C and many other natural extracts like kiwi extracts, cucumber extracts, aloe vera extracts, and so many other extracts, which helps to regenerate and repair tissues, lightens hyperpigmentation. All the ingredients which are available in it have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial property that helps to repair the damaged skin tissues, exfoliated and protected from blemishes and acne. This alcohol-free formula tightens the pores, keep your skin hydrated, maintain the pH balance, and gives you a clean, healthy, flawless, radiant glass skin. This is also 100% vegan and all type of chemical-free toner. Talking about the application of these products, first wash your face using Tricon face wash properly, and then after that spray some toner on your face and then apply sunscreen evenly on all over your face and neck in order to protect yourself from the sun rays.
So this was my take
for Tricon skincare products. They are not only beautiful, they are vegan, they are paraben, SLS and all type of chemical free products. They are very good, amazing and goes really well for oily skin, for combination skin and especially for my skin. I am in love with all these products. Their fragrance, their price, all are amazing. So guys, you can also buy their products from their own website by tricon.com and you can avail a 10% discount by using the coupon code which I have mentioned in the description box below. So do check it out, do check out their other range of skincare products and must give them a try. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.